Welcome back to the channel, riders. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting new machines to roll out of China, the all-new Zontes 703R. This is Zontes stepping confidently into the world of high-performance triple-cylinder motorcycles, and trust me, this one is going to turn heads. If you love sharp design, modern tech and real power, hit subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss a drop. At the core of the 703R is a brand new 699 cubic centimeters inline-3 engine, engineered entirely by Zontes. It delivers 95 horsepower and 75 newton-meters of torque, giving you that smooth, punchy triple-cylinder surge that riders can't get enough of. Inside the engine you'll find forged pistons, DLC-coated components, and a 6-axis IMU enabling cornering ABS and intelligent traction control. Gear changes are handled by a bidirectional quickshifter, letting you shift up or down without touching the clutch. Power is transferred through a premium DID 525 chain, built for strength and long-term reliability. The aluminium twin-spar frame keeps the bike light at around 188 kilos, giving it a strong power-to-weight ratio. Up front, the 703R is equipped with Marzocchi suspension, giving the bike serious handling precision and stability. And for stopping power, Zontes has gone all in with Brembo brakes, delivering sharp, confident braking performance worthy of a modern sport naked. The bike rolls on 17-inch wheels with 120/70 and 180/55 tires, and the cockpit is dominated by a crisp 6.75-inch full-color TFT display. You get Bluetooth connectivity, multiple riding modes, traction control settings and Bosch ABS, all laid out cleanly and easy to read. And of course, the styling is unmistakably Zontes. An aggressive X-shaped LED headlight, sharp body lines, a compact tail section and that futuristic, muscular stance that makes the 703R look fast even when it's parked. With the 703R, Zontes is making a bold statement. They're ready to compete with the big names, offering a bike that's powerful, high-tech and seriously good value.